Everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at National Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, executive aisle here on a busy Monday evening. And it's kind of interesting to see Hertz and Avis have a lot of cars on the lot. You can tell who's busier, doing better for business because they don't have as many cars. Most of their cars are on the road, would be National Alamo Enterprise Avis because of their fantastic customer service. Ooh, look at this, a Wagoneer in the aisle. Man, okay, so executive aisle has a Wagoneer at Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. Well, that's always good to see. Man, that's always been the best part of National when they've had some of these in the aisle. There's a big Genesis in the aisle too. What do we got? So there's a Wagoneer. We got a Sierra in the aisle. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. 2 Series BMW in the aisle. Oh man, I gotta start picking up here, guys. This is kind of like the one I'm driving right now. Actually, almost identical. Probably is identical to the one I'm driving right now. So this is where I got a Camaro convertible SS a long time ago. In the aisle. So we got some pickup trucks, Sierra. This is probably the best executive aisle I've seen in a while. And considering it's a little bit 22,000 on this. Considering it's a Monday evening. Yeah. All the cars are probably already taken on Monday, so yeah, good job. Actually, we got a Wrangler in the aisle. Palisade in the aisle. Another Wagoneer. Somebody's taking that Wagoneer. Got a couple smaller cars. This is all executive guys. We'll have to find the regular aisle. Equinox. Escape. Got a Mazda coming in. Expedition in the aisle. Oh man, I have not seen it this plentiful in a long time. Well, we gotta have a look at this Expedition then. Or somebody might already be taking it. I see somebody, they're just drying it off. Platinum. Ooh, this is nice. Look at all the chrome trim and everything, eh? 22,000 miles, platinum. Man, that would be nice. Yeah. Probably got the B&O audio as well. It's some kind of a van. Is this it looks like a Pacifica beside us here. Wagoneer. Somebody taking that pickup truck. There's the regular Emerald aisle. Ooh, they got a Porsche Premier selection. Okay, let's head over to the regular aisle. We got cars coming and going here, guys. We got an X2 going into the aisle. Wow, National's doing a really good job. That'd be a nice ride to have. And then we got another pickup truck rolling in. All right, guys, we got the regular Emerald aisle. Got lots of cars coming in. We got another Wagoneer probably going in the aisle. Look at this Emerald aisle has an ST line Explorer in it. You know what I think it is? I think National's running low on cars, so they're just putting everything in the aisle. This, I gotta try one of these sometime. I don't know if it has the turbocharged engine in it, but there you can kind of see it from the side. The black interior. It might even have another row, does it? In the back. I think so. Might even have the B&O audio. There, Traverse on the other side, F-150. Here's one of the RST Silverado headliners in that. Explorer. Okay, where we go next? All right. There's more of the aisle on the other side, guys. Always an adventure coming out here. Got a Jeep in the aisle. Man, I was just saying that. Bunch of vans. Well, Phoenix has got a pretty good selection in the yeah. Well, good job, Phoenix. We've got some trucks on the other side. More trucks coming in from the car wash and the returns. Here's the other side of the aisle. This, I think, is into the reserve, guys. So we got Mustang convertible down there. Another Wagoneer. There's a bunch of minivans. Wagoneer. Whole bunch of full-size SUVs. It looks like a lot of Wagoneers. think somebody's looking for that one. And there's another X2, Mustang convertible, Bronco, luxury. Got a big Mercedes minivan. I'm just going down the middle here, guys, because some of these lots are so big. I think we're kind of sort of into Alamo, although I'm noticing they're starting to update the signs just to kind of combine all the cars. We got Genesis down here, and there's a couple of Rubicons. There's a Range Rover, new Jeep with a refreshed grille, Mercedes, Wagoneer, and all more of the same, guys. So I might kind of wrap it up. What do we got down? Oh man, this floor is so big. I see some luxuries. Why don't we take those and a Miata? Why don't we take a look at those and then wrap it up? Yeah, so we got an Audi A4 and A5, Mercedes, Miata. All right, guys, that might wrap it up unless I find something else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And just one more quick update. We got a Audi in the aisle now. Let me just go down the second row, guys, because I don't think we did the second row. I know I said I was going to wrap it up, but you never know what you're going to run into. So this, I don't think I did this row. Everything's changing here so fast. Even if I did it, it might even look different. So we got minivans. Silverado pickup truck. We got a little bit of time when we go into some of these. Oh, mileage came up 8,000. That dash looks a little bit more different, compact. No bed liner in this one, though. Cloth seats. The minivan. We haven't got it. Oh, geez, they got a Blazer. We got to look at that. I don't know if that just rolled in. It's kind of a funky looking blue on the minivan. Somebody commented that they really like minivans, so just wanted to take a look. Appreciate the feedback, everybody watching. Appreciate all your support. Okay, I want to take a look at this Blazer. Unfortunately, I think it's probably just base trim, but let's see what we got here. I would still run one of these sometime. It's kind of almost like the Camaro SUV. Okay, so let's finish up this row down here. Again, this is all executive, guys. Somebody's taking that Sierra. Lots of trucks. Well, it's a good time to take a look at some of the trucks. We got a Ford. This one's got running boards on it. Is it a higher trim? Then we got a Nissan Pro 4X. Ooh, this might be a higher trim. What is this, a Lariat or something? What do we got for 25,000 miles? And the back seat. Got a Kia rolling in. What is the trim on this? Maybe it's base trim. I don't see a trim, guys. Okay, Nissan. And then we can take a look at the Ram. GMC. Sierra. Here's a Frontier. Quite a few of these Frontiers I saw down in Miami. Ram 1500. Is this the Hurricane? Yeah, that's the Hurricane. Or show up. That turbocharged 6. Bronco. And what do we have for miles on this one? The North American cars usually tell me the mileage. Oh, geez, 63 miles, guys. Brand new. You can smell it too. Laramie. This would be probably my choice if I was taking a truck right now, especially to try out the turbocharged 6 Hurricane engine. Can't wait for that to show up in the Chargers, maybe even the Challenger's bed liner. Yeah, the Laramie's, I think a higher trim. I don't know much about trucks, but Bronco Sport. Honda. Is that a Honda pickup truck? Beside the 2 Series BMW? It is. Well, we got to take a look at that. Okay, let's get the Pretty standard Honda interior, sunroof. Okay. Bedliner in the back. Well, this would be good if you need a smaller truck. Oh, goes up the gas cap. Ridgeline. I don't see any trim on it. There's the 228i, like the one I got. Terrain. And, oh man, they are just bringing in cars after cars after cars. Well, that shows you who's the busiest here. 5.3 liter V8 Sierra. A bunch of these Sierra. I think we looked at one of these already, guys, did we? Oh, look at this one's got the clock and everything all lit up. Yeah, I think we might have looked at this one already. Okay, let's, what else? We got the Jeep. See interior on here. 20,000 miles. It's got the Freedom tops. And in the back, Sierra, Camry. There's a Durango down there. Man, they got pretty much your choice of just about anything here. Okay, the camera's not going to tell me the miles. I need to get my Rolodex out of how to get the miles off some of the different manufacturers. Okay, maybe we'll wrap it up now, guys. Got a Mazda. Maybe we'll take a look at this Mazda and the Rogue and wrap it up. CX-90 all-wheel drive with the Rogue. Oh, geez, we'll take a look at the Santa Fe too while we're down here if you want. Why not? Okay. I'm gonna have to edit this video because I said goodbye maybe about 6 minutes ago. And then the Santa Fe. Why don't we take a look at that and maybe wrap it up? There's a Camry. A couple of the limited van. I haven't looked inside a Santa Fe in a while. Yeah. Got a little bit of boxy styling. I think it's only got 8,000 miles on it. And the third row. Alright, guys. Let's take a quick look at the Q3. Just rolled into the aisle here. 24,000 miles. I wouldn't mind trying one of these. These are the newer ones. I think this is a newer one. Is this a newer one? Maybe not. Yeah, it's got the sunroof. We've got another Mazda coming through. Oh. Let's wrap it up. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.